Yo, what's up, everybody? So welcome back. It's now April the 15th, and I'm going to give you guys a very quick technical analysis and my thoughts on the market. I'll be posting a video every single day while I'm part-time in the Philippines for the next 2 weeks. It's about time that I actually took a vacation because it's been about 3 months since I've actually taken any time off. I've worked from January 1st till now nonstop. So let's jump into it. Once we get back to Turkey, we're going to be trading nonstop. We got this brand new loft that's very inspiring for us to work more and put in more time into this crypto market. I needed a place that had the right ambience, that had the right type of environment that was going to push me to the next level in crypto. And I believe that you're following the right channel. So for those that don't know me, everybody, my name's Phil, and I've been in the crypto space now for about 12 years. It's been a very long time. I've seen 3 major bull markets and also 3 major bear markets as well. This is the 3rd one now. And hopefully this will be the 4th one coming up this 2026. And I truly believe that I possess huge information that's very beneficial due to my experience in the market and having 3 major bull market experiences. So now that this is the 4th one, I believe for the first time in the first bull market ever, in one single bull market, I'll finally make well over 8 figures. That's been a dream of mine for a long time. So as soon as this target is reached, once I make over that amount, 8 figures in one bull market in profit alone, probably gonna take it a little bit easier, because I'm not going to really be chasing any type of milestones anymore. So let's jump right into it, guys. So Bitcoin, guys, is now in this channel. You can see how it's in this really cool channel since basically the end of March over there. But that's not the most significant thing. The most significant thing is that there's a lower high that is forming over here. And due to the lower high forming, there's a potential for it to break to the upside. Okay, Bitcoin is more likely to be in a massive type of bear market and a distribution phase where it's more likely to drop to the downside rather than having some type of significant rally to the upside. A lot of these situations, they end up occurring rallying to the upside, and people will believe, the general public could believe, mainly retail traders or the newer and more inexperienced people out there, they're going to be like, yep, this is the bottom, 55, 60K, it's got to be the bottom. And of course, there's a lot of people saying out there as well that, well, you know, in the last bear market, we actually topped near the top of the 2017 high. So you can see over here, we fell down a little bit more than that, right, from the 20K high. You can see that we fell below it a little bit. See that right there? But nevertheless, it still hovered around that $20,000 region, which was the high. It still fell about 23% below it though. Okay, so that's got to be significant to really remember. If we think about the high in 2021, well, even a 20% drop below that $69,000 price point over there, right? A 20% drop brings it to about $55,000. But I don't think that's significant of a drop enough, because we got to remember that in 2014, the drop was about 87%. That's huge. And then in 2018, the drop was 84%, right? And then in the last bear market in 2022, it actually dropped only 77%. So basically 87 or something like that, then 84 or 88, 84, then 77. So if you think of a drop to around the $55,000 regions, it's not even a significant drop in any way. Okay, so from the top over here at around 125K, if we go to 55K, we're looking at a drop of about maybe 56%, 55% maximum. So who's to say that we're going to top out at a 55% drawdown only when the other bear markets have dropped, like we're talking, 88%, 84%, 77%. So why would we believe in any way that the bear market's going to end at a 55% drop only? There's a major catalyst to propel the bull market further fundamentally and geopolitically as well, because at the end of any war, there tends to be a period of rebuilding. And during this first period of rebuilding, it's very costly, and investors, retail institutions are mainly going to be risk off. But once that rebuilding is done, money will be injected back into the economy once that rebuilding period is ongoing. So usually after any crazy world event, there's a massive bull market after that. So I believe that this year there's going to be a huge chance, not only for crypto, but for traditional equities and stocks as well. I expect them to take a plummet down this year during this rebuilding phase. And I really hope that this all happens and it gets below 40K. So if Bitcoin drops around 40K, there's going to be some massive interest, guys, okay? Because if you take a look at 40K, just based off of drawdown alone, that's now bringing it into a zone where it's very attractive. So 40K brings it to about a 70% drawdown, okay? That's significant. So that means that it dropped, no, 68%, but the last drop, it dropped 77%. So we're not that far off. But what needs to happen is like the $55,000 region, it needs to be cleared. This right here needs to be taken out with force. Otherwise, these targets are never going to be reached. But I believe that once 40K and under gets reached, the accumulation is going to be huge because the leverage is going to be also high. For example, if your leverage times 2 only at 40K, your liquidation is about $20,000. If your leverage, for example, 3x, your liquidation will be 33% drop. So if you were to even get in at 40K, this is not financial advice, by the way. I'm just giving an example. If you were to get in at like $40,000 and you leverage like times 3, the market would have to drop to about $28,000 for you to get liquidated, right? So it's not that big of a drop. I can't tell you what kind of risk to take on or not take on, but that's something to consider. Like for example, myself at 40K, I'm going to be leveraging, I'm not going to go all in at that price, right? Obviously not. But I will be leveraging about 1.5x. The reason I'm doing a 1.5x is because then it allows me to have a drop of 67%, which brings it down to a very low amount, guys, like super low, but like 14K or something like that. 15K almost, like something like that, like 13.33K, sorry. Yeah, the 66% drop from 40K is 13.66. So that's very significant. And I might have more capital to add near those ranges, right? So I don't think Bitcoin will ever go lower than like 15K. If it does, it's going to be, people are going to be extremely excited. Also, if we drop to around, say, 13K, that all of a sudden becomes like almost an 88% drawdown, which means we're going to beat the previous records, right? So I don't think we're going to get to those ranges, but I think that it's time to really start getting ready for the fact that there's literally April, well, partially April, and then there's May, June, July, August, and September. That's 6 months left until basically I'm expecting a bull market to occur. And every time I see this cycle, it happens every time. It's not even surprising anymore. That's why you guys follow me. Okay, I'm going to give you the shortest updates for the next 2 weeks until I get back home. And know, guys, that when I get back home, we're going to be trading very seriously again. We're up a tremendous amount this year already, from a few short positions and long positions on Bitcoin, and also some massive trades where we took huge $30,000 profits on. One of them was ENS. The other one was Rave. Okay, I luckily caught a short on Rave. Very dangerous coin. So guys, I'll see you in the Discord group in about 2 weeks when I come back. Make sure you guys join it because you'll get the best quality trades. Maybe I don't trade every day, but you don't need to be there every day, right? You just got to catch like 1 or 2 of these trades of mine and you're golden. And if you guys are enjoying this type of content of mine, all you got to do to support me is literally hit that like button, guys, and check out my social media links below and follow me on all of them. I'd be very, very thankful. Have yourselves a great day, guys. And my lady and I, we're going to enjoy Philippines for the next 2 weeks. And I hope that you guys also get some time off for yourselves because it's extremely important for us to like get that rest, get that relaxation so we can be more energized for this upcoming bull market that I predict will come most likely in September to October. Have a great night, guys. Thank you.